Enter for a chance to win a big box of crayons, a set of watercolors, and an artist's pad of paper. Send pictures to refrigerator123@gmail.com. Every picture is an entry, so the more pictures you send, the more of a chance you have to win. Hi everyone, welcome to The Refrigerator Goes to New York City. Today's special guest reader is Mrs. Grant from Brooklyn, and our special drawers are Ray Ray and Chloe, also from Brooklyn.
Hi friends, I'm Miss Amanda, and I'm going to read for you today. Hooray for you! For a long time, the world saved a place. Millions were born, yet none filled your space. Until the second of a minute of one special day, you took your first breath and the world said hooray! Yes, from head to toe tip, you're one of a kind. With your way of being, your body and mind. Hooray for your sweet and beautiful face that's not like another in the whole human race. Hooray for your smile that curls up just so when you laugh and act silly or show what you know. Hooray for your hair, be it black, brown, or red, that does its own thing on top of your head. Hooray for your body that wiggles and plays with custom-built parts to move your own ways. Hooray for your moods and feelings, each one that start at sun up and end with day done. Hooray for your silly, excited, and glad. Hooray for your grumpy, crabby, or sad. Hooray for your thoughts and hopes that you dream. Hooray for your favorites like cake and ice cream. Hooray for you being like nobody other, like a cousin or sister or uncle or brother. Hooray for yourself, both inside and out. There's only one you, without a doubt. So look in the mirror and love who you see. Smile and shout, hooray for me!
Hello, my name is Ray Ray. And my name is Chloe. And we're gonna teach you about different feelings.
So what do you have?
Well, we have crayons and a heart.
So what's one feeling that you want to write down in the heart, Chloe? How are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling happy.
Okay, so go ahead, write down happy inside the heart. And then can you show me a happy face? Wait, no, I want you to show me a happy face. Good. And then Ray Ray, what's your feeling? Joyful. Joyful's a good feeling. Joyful.
Joyful.
Good. Okay, so hand Chloe back the crayon. Chloe, can you think of like a negative feeling, like a bad feeling? Disturbed. Can you make a disturbed face? Oh, you're disturbed. Okay, now give Ray Ray the crayon.
Angry.
Okay, maybe Ray.
This is. Wait.
Okay, so now can you guys hug each other and say how much you love each other and that that's a big feeling?
Choo-choo train! Okay, no more choo-choo train.
Tell us what fills your heart. Remember, there are no good or bad feelings, just ones that make us feel comfortable and ones that make us feel uncomfortable. Everything you are feeling is valid. You are extraordinary.
We got out cold but not alone. between the rocks and the stars. We got undressed and we laid our heads on a piece of bark and talked till the sun came up. Let me guide you like a flashlight in the darkness of a storm. Oh yeah, I treated you like I needed you to watch over. Well, I need a friend and you need me too. We row the same boat. And if that boat should sink, oh no, we got each other to hold on to. So hold on. Let me guide you like a flashlight in the darkness of a storm. Oh no, yeah, I treated you like I needed you to watch over. Oh no, to watch over. Oh no, watch over. I left you standing down by the riverside in June. I left you standing all alone. Thank you.